Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So my name is Rachel. Thank you so much for clicking in. I'm going to show you how I created my full face eye makeup for today, and I'm using the Morphe 24 Artistry Pass palette. So if you haven't gotten your hands on this, I highly recommend this. Such a beautiful palette. If you haven't seen it yet, look how gorgeous it looks. So but before we get even started, please like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and then now let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm gonna go and start off with the dark purple, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna create that dark transition background color for our eyes, and this is Morphe, one of their eye brush sets. So now I'm just gonna grab it, and then I'm just gonna go above my crease, just a little bit above here, because I want to exaggerate this eye look. And then right now we're just patting. And this palette is just so fun. I wish that it was summer already, and I can't wait to use this, even though I probably can't go anywhere for summer. I'm still gonna be using bright colors and going all out for summer. And I love that this comes with the mirror also. So now we're gonna start blending it. So just grab a blending brush, and I just have this one. This one's from Marshall's, I believe. And this like purple is like so pigmented, so it looks good, looks pretty even. So now I'm just gonna cut the crease and just do like a long cut crease. For that, I'm gonna go with my LA Girl concealer, and this is in Tawny. We're gonna cut the crease. So I'm really gonna extend this. I'm really gonna exaggerate. My eyelid is right here, stops right here, but I'm gonna go just right where the purple meets. And then I'm just gonna blink, look up, and it basically stamps it for you. But you see how I exaggerated, started from here, did almost like a half circle, and then I just winged it a little bit. And now to match the other eye, which is the hard part. So now that is done. So now I'm gonna go in with just some translucent powder. Fold. It looks like pink, but it's kind of purple in person. I'm telling you, I used the purple one and it's looking pink. And now I'm gonna go in with this green room, it's called. Such a pretty bright green. And now we're just gonna pat this. Now this is green. It looks a little crazy, but wow, I'm pretty amazed by the color and the pigments in this green. And so bright, I can already imagine this yellow looking amazing too. So I'm just gonna do my other eye. I look freaking crazy, but it's okay. Just gonna grab some purple and just blend it in right here. And then I have this white eyeliner, and this is from NYX, and I'm gonna apply this right in the crease where the purple and the green meet, so hopefully I don't fuck it up. It's a little patchy, but it's okay. Far away it looks good, up close you can see all my mistakes. So now it looks like this, so we are doing pretty well, pretty good. So now I'm just gonna grab in this blue right here, and this is the Ride or Sky blue, and then we're gonna just smoke out, kind of create like a wing right here in the corners. Yeah, like the blue and the green do not want to blend together really well. It's kind of patchy now. I'm missing a spot now. Okay, kind of looks better. And then I'm gonna apply some brown. So this is Seek shade, this dark brown they have. They don't have black in this palette, so I'm just gonna apply some brown. Yeah, this green and blue are not getting along, but it's okay. We just want this like dark shade. I might apply just a little bit black. So just grab any black eyeshadow you have, just very little. Almost make it seem like it's a black, and then it goes dark, and then it goes dark blue and blue. And then I'm just gonna blend it. So I think I'm almost done. So now that it looks like this, now we're gonna continue with the foundation, and I'll be right back. And for the foundation, I did go in with Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation, and I am in number 75, which is natural beige. And then for contour, I'm gonna go with my cream contour, which is the Huda Beauty in medium. And this stuff is so creamy. In the inner corners. And remember here, I'm just tapping and I'm bringing it down. Just like that. That purple. And bring it underneath. Grab the dark brown in this palette. But it's okay that it gets really dark down here because we're gonna still apply my concealer to brighten under there. And we're just gonna also just clean up a little bit. And now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline setting powder. And then I'm going to go in with my same bronzer that I've been using, and it is the Maybelline 300. I still don't know what lip color to do because it's like so dramatic eyes. I don't know. And then I'm going to use the same bronzer to contour my nose. And then I'm just gonna finish up with the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and this is the Maybelline. Okay, so now for my now for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with this NYX. Oh my god, I can't believe this whole time I've been saying NYX. NYX, and then I'll say NYX NYX, and it's just NYX Cosmetics. Barely found out it's pronounced NYX, not NYX. Anyways, so this is their Rainstorm eyeliner. Can you guys see that? It looks so pink purple, just a little bit down here. I'm gonna go in with these lashes, and they're from the Kiss brand, Opulence. And I'm gonna go in with my dual glue. And now I'm gonna apply some mascara for my lower lashes. I'm gonna lie, these lashes took a while to be applied. They were just so hard to bend them. The band is really thick, but they're so pretty. Here, let me get closer. I did cut them because they were pretty long. I cut them here at the end, but they're so fluffy. So for the lips, I think it's like a light pink shade. So I'm gonna go in with Bite Me from Morphe. And this is the Kylie liquid lipstick in Candy K. I do not like this lip, so I mean, you can't go wrong with a new lip. And this is Morphe Trendsetter. yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it with a nude lip. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it looks really fun, really dramatic. I love the blue. You guys can't really see, but I love the blue eyeliner underneath. It just makes my brown eyes like pop, I think. Well, that's what I think. You guys don't know, but when I was in high school and I started wearing makeup, I would go to this store in the mall and I would buy blue eyeliner, blue mascara, and so this brings back so many memories wearing blue eyeliner right there, and it looks so cute. So that completes my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't picked up the Morphe palettes, I suggest you do so. Such amazing colors here, and I'm so excited to keep playing with it. I'll be creating more looks with this. Can't wait for summer to just go really bright and colorful. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching my video, my tutorial. If you like my video, go ahead and like my video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.